So guys, mali pala ako ng pindot. Ano ba yan? Ikaw lang eh. Talaga ginapakilala ka. Ito pala si Brownie. Kapatid siya ng aso ko. Bigay ng ate ko to. Kasi nung pumunta kami ng ano yun? Ilocos nun. Gusto niya mag-action? Tara. Teka, ba't may helban ako dito? Ano to? Ano yung helban na yan? Basahin niyo yung mga sulat ko Dapat nakatayo yan. Kung hindi, sasabak ko talaga kayo sa pintuan. Kasi ako, and then hiding now, I'm shining like a fire to be. Yeah, with those light out, super high now, I believe we're going up, it's so mountain. You ain't nothing on it, I'm in about to go there. Oh, up, right about yourself. You ain't nothing on it, I'm in about to go there. Oh, and then I did now, I'm shining like a fire to be. Now what you say now, so say now like an apple. Next, and say, and say, wait, and nobody make your man win away, and nobody will come back and na 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 na. Gusto niya tungkol kay Jesus? Kanta. Let's go. There's a Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, always at His only name. Sin I never before, oh my soul, always at His only name. Forever faithful, so I settle sin for me. 7,000 feet, that's all it wants to come. Everybody say! Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa akin na bip bip bip, bip bip bip. Aking nakita, isang malaking aso. Ang cute ko talaga. Maganda ba ako? Hindi naman, di ba? Mag-comment kayo dyan. Sabi ko sa inyo, bubugbog mo itong asong to. Joke lang. Hindi, joke lang.